Hey guys, Mr. Funny Pumpkin is here, and I'm going to be doing tips and tricks for Airship map, okay? So this is the new map, alright? You want to sandwich kills in these small areas of records, and like all the tiny corners, y'all know, y'all want to, yeah. And showers are a good place to kill. I like to kill people everywhere. And here's something I like to do with the crewmates. I like to mess around. Ventilation, I kill this body. I'm like, so they go and run all the way to showers, okay, which is kind of funny. Think about that. Okay, so they run through the lounge, go to showers, or they can go to the meeting room if they can pass onto the brig. So they're like, and then they try, and then that's where you can be waiting and be like, hey there, kill. And you got two bodies. Yeah, and that's a tip, So another thing you can do is so if you're a crewmate, then you gotta use this little hover thing. But if you're an imposter, you wanna catch somebody in the gap room, you do that. Wahoo. And then die. So you climb up, and you go across the hover panel, and you climb up this huge ladder. Okay, and then there's all these tasks, and this is the meeting room. This is where you trap possible weapons, and hey, dummy stuff, what's up? Alright, yeah. And this is the emergency meeting button. So yeah, that's just a bunch of masterpiece. And that will be it for this video, guys. Also use the airship size to your advantage. Look how big it is. It looks massive, right? Take kills around the whole place. It's an imposter's dream. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe to Funny Pumpkins.